Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present a very easy to make queso with a Creole Cajun twist. Now I know Louisiana and Mexico don't share a border, but there's no reason why we can't share a recipe. My Big Easy Queso has all the traditional ingredients you'd find in a standard Mexican queso, but with a little South Louisiana flair. Let's get started. Begin with a skillet on medium heat. Add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Drain a 10-ounce can of Rotel and add it to the pan. Give a mix and cook for about a minute to take the rough edge off. Now we'll add about a 1/4 teaspoon of liquid crab oil. This is a very common ingredient in South Louisiana and is used in most crab, shrimp, and crawfish boils. A little of this will go a long way. Now add a cayenne pepper hot sauce and give a quick mix to combine. Add some Creole seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, some paprika, and a little xanthan gum. This will not only help thicken our dip, but also help the cheese not separate and curdle as easily. Cook until it thickens a bit, something like this. Now add some heavy cream and about a 1/2 cup of sour cream. Give that a mix and let it cook until everything is combined and it just starts to simmer. Reduce the heat to low and add our shredded cheese, 4 ounces at a time. Now I'm using Gruyere and Monterey Jack here, but you can use a mild or sharp cheddar cheese if you like. Stir in the first 4 ounces, and when that's melted, add a second 4 ounces. Mix in until everything is combined. Turn the heat off and add 8 ounces of crab. Mix until thoroughly combined and the crab is heated through. Serve this queso warm and enjoy. There you have it, folks, my Big Easy Queso recipe, an easy to make Mexican queso with a South Louisiana flair. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.